All right, my Pride and Joy S2000 is currently at an angle because I'm working on the driver's side. I put the passenger side skirt on. These are from K2. This side right here, from the angle, let's go here. Let's get this right for you guys. This is gonna be kind of raw because this is hard to do. It's about 3 inches in the back, this upper part right here. This upper part, 3 inches. In the front, maybe 2.5, maybe from here to here. So you think, okay, we'll put the big side in there and the small side up here, and then we'll go on the other side, and we should have the opposite effect. But no, the small side here and the big side is up front. So I don't know, is this 2 passenger sides? Because I would never put it on with the big side in the front. So now my car is taken apart and sitting here. I just need to figure this out. And this is for everybody else who's maybe ordering these. Maybe the distributor is just not good. But they're supposed to be Jay's Racing style, and not even that, but man, this gap where it touches there and then it doesn't touch there, and then you have to cut it a little bit to get it flush there. All right, I'll post this on YouTube and send the link to some of my S2000 friends that are thinking about these. Bye.